Good day. Today we'll be making Malfatti, which is Italian spinach ricotta dumplings.
Let's go!
Firstly, we will rinse out excess water from the spinach by putting a handful of it on a clean towel and twisting it firmly to remove the excess water. Then we will roughly chop the spinach, not too finely, so that we don't get minced spinach in the dumplings. After that, we will roughly chop our onions and minced garlic to saute with the spinach. Once we have done roughly chopping our onions and garlic, we will add oil to a pan, then add the mixture of garlic and onions to saute, making them a little bit brown. After that, we will put our spinach and saute it lightly. Once the spinach has been cooked, we will transfer it to a bowl. For the Napoli sauce, we will roughly chop onions and mince the garlic. After chopping the garlic and onions, we will then roughly chop our tomatoes. Proceed to saute our garlic and onions for 3 minutes until the onion is softened. After the onion is being softened, we will add our tomato sauce, basil stems, and stir for 20 minutes by reducing the stove to low and cook. After the sauce has been simmered, we will remove the excess basil from the pot and let it cool down.
To make the Malfatti mixture, cool the spinach, add into a bowl spinach, flour, parmesan, ricotta, egg yolk, 1 egg, salt and pepper, then gently mix until combined. To form dumplings, use 2 dessert spoons to form a rugby ball's shaped dumplings. Let them rest on paper towels while the water continues to boil. The Malfatti are cooked in shallow boiling water just like other dumplings. Carefully lower a few dumplings in. You will know exactly when the Malfatti are cooked because they will float to the surface. Place onto paper towels to drain. Pour the sauce into a pan enough to cover the surface and top with the malfatti. Drizzle with olive oil and bake for just 15 minutes or until golden blush. After 15 minutes, take the dish out of the oven. Give the malfatti a generous dusting of parmesan and sprinkle with fresh basil. Then plate.